Hello and welcome to the second match in round 3 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Broughton Primary from Westmoreland up against Vaz Prep from Kingston. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Vaz Prep won. They decided to play first. So Vaz Prep, we begin section 1 with you. Bible knowledge. Which man in the Bible was able to interpret King Nebuchadnezzar's dream?
Daniel.
That's right. Broughton, Bible knowledge according to the scriptures. What was the name of King Nebuchadnezzar's son who succeeded him?
Belshazzar.
That's right. Vaz science. True or false? The kidneys, in addition to the pancreas, manufacture digestive juices.
False.
That's right. Broughton science. True or false? Our throat is divided into 2 separate tubes, the windpipe and the epiglottis.
False.
That's correct. Vaz Jamaican Affairs, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dennis Chong. Dennis Chong.
CEO of the PSOJ, that's correct. Broughton, Jamaican Affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Michael Leachin.
Chairman of NCB Jamaica, that's correct. Vaz English language by using the word drawing. Give an expression which means to start over.
To go back to the drawing board. To go back to the drawing board.
That's right. Broughton English language by using the word spade. Give an expression which means to speak plainly.
To use a spade quickly.
That's incorrect. It's to call a spade a spade. Vaz television visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Regina King.
That's incorrect. It's Monique. Broughton television visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Tommy Chin.
That's incorrect. It's Felicia Rashad. Vaz general knowledge. What's the capital of Bulgaria?
Sofia.
That's right. Broughton general knowledge. What's the capital of Burundi?
Bujumbura.
That's correct. Vaz social studies. Whose statue stands outside the Bank of Jamaica building in Kingston?
Norman Manley.
That's incorrect. It's Noel Nethersole. Broughton social studies. Which famous Jamaican cricketer's statue is found outside Sabina Park in Jamaica?
George Henley.
That's correct. Vaz music. Which male international pop icon died in 2009?
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson.
That's correct. Broughton music. Which female international pop sensation died in 2012?
Whitney Houston. Whitney Houston.
Is correct. Vaz mathematics. What is the reciprocal of 3/7 as a decimal correct to 2 decimal places?
2.33.
That's correct. Broughton mathematics. What's the reciprocal of 9/5 as a decimal correct to 2 decimal places?
0.55.
That's incorrect. It's 0.56. Vaz sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
The Marcus Cousins. The Marcus Cousins.
That's right. Broughton sports, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
LeBron James.
That's incorrect. It's Giannis Antetokounmpo. Vaz, Jamaican Affairs, complete the Jamaican proverb. Puss and dog no have?
The same look. The same look.
That's correct. Broughton, Jamaican Affairs, complete the Jamaican proverb. In front a dog, miss a dog.
Lie back.
That's incorrect. It's in front a dog, Mr. Dog, back a dog, dog. And that brings us to the end of section 1 with Vaz Prep on 9 points, Broughton Primary on 6 points as we go into the Junior Challenge face-off. Now, before we go to the break, though, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, computer and cell phone games can take up a lot of your time. Ensure that you finish your study and homework before you get lost in the games. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 continues after this.